What documents are required for ISO 9001? Well, we're right here at Best Practice TV, which is the place to have that question answered. And what I want to show you today is the Best Practice Business Improvement Journey brochure that you can download from the Best Practice website. We'll pop the link for you below. And what we've done is in the inside cover of this particular, or when you get it electronically, you'll scroll through it because it'll be a PDF, but we've put the artifacts that are the documents that we would recommend that you put together for your quality management system. So typically what I want you to be thinking about is, how does your organization consume information? Look around you in your organization and look at your audience. Because if you're really, really clever, you don't really need to document in the form of, like if this was a document, the information for your quality management system, because you can build it out in videos, you can have audio files, you can have posters, you can have images, you can have photos, you can have websites. So it's not necessarily about the age-old process of having policies and procedures that are black and white documents that you print out on the printer and you stick in a folder on the shelf. The modern quality management system really is about a user-friendly guide and set of instructions for your team in your organization to be able to follow to get their job done. It's a place to go to reference information, to, I've forgotten a couple of steps of the process, or I just want to check what I'm meant to be doing. It's meant to be a place to go to. So here at Best Practice, our quality management system, or the documents we have, is we have an intranet site, and the intranet site has my policies for environmental management, for safety, for quality, for cybersecurity, for confidentiality, for privacy. It's got our staff handbook, it's got our organizational chart, it's got information on performance reviews, training records, some guidance and flow charts on some of the processes that we have. But what I'm going to do for you now is I'm just going to read to you what some of the recommended documents are that we've said that would be artifacts for your management system. And I'm going to list these out really quickly. If you miss them, press pause and rewind and take your notes. If you want some long form information, there's a couple of webinars available in the e-learning workshops playlist right here on the Best Practice TV YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to quickly go through them. Define your company's why, your mission, your purpose, your vision statement, your quarterly strategic planning and management review workshops and records of those. An issues list, a risk register, opportunities, risks and opportunities, or a SWOT analysis. Something that lists out the issues that you might have in your organization. Reference to the part of the business that the system applies to, or the scope. A one-page business plan, a dashboard of business statistics, a process flow of your customer's journey through your organization from their initial inquiry to a very happy, smiling customer. Flowcharts of critical business processes, or videos of critical business processes, a key stakeholder analysis, an organizational chart and people's position descriptions, some training records and internal training register, peer process reviews, or what we would call internal audits, compliance obligations or any legal and other requirements you need to comply with, and how you're going to access and refer to and keep up to date with those things as they change. Some operational controls, so the plans of how you're going to do things. And then for a quality management system, some sort of process like Net Promoter Score for capturing customer feedback. Not a customer feedback form, because no one likes to fill those out. I bet you don't like filling out customer feedback forms, so don't do that to your customers. But a process like Net Promoter Score, or NPS, might be something you could go and do a Google search on. A method for monitoring your suppliers, and a list of generic customer promises. So that's it. Really simple, keep it really simple. Now, you know what's really interesting is that as we've looked at data in the marketplace, we've found that the world's most successful companies have all of those things that I just listed as their day-to-day core business, and it just becomes business as usual. So don't necessarily look to 9001 as helping your organization. Look around you and look at what the most successful organizations are doing and follow those steps that they recommend. Okay, let me know if I answered your question. I'm not going to sit here in this video and say you need to have procedure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because ISO 9001 doesn't say that you need to do that anymore. It says its intent is that you have got systems and processes to give your team guidance to do the things that they need to do to help you achieve your objectives and targets. So if you need a quality policy, if you need to document that because your team will read it, then excellent. If you need objectives and targets because your team want to see that and they like to have it documented, then follow that way. But follow the process that is going to help your team absorb the information in the most successful way. Okay, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, comment below and let me know exactly what your question was that brought you to this particular video. That'll give me an opportunity to respond to that, because I really, really want to help you. I'm passionate about helping people We're passionate here at Best Practice about helping 100 million companies with improvement. So hit the like button or the dislike button, whatever you like, to give me an indication of what's working and what's not working, and comment below if you have another question. Okay, up above there's a subscribe button right here on the YouTube channel, and if you could hit that, that'll give you a notification the next time we upload a live video for you, which means you'll then see me. My name's Kobe Simmet. You'll see me live right here next time on Best Practice TV. Bye for now.